Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you app review. It's called Bluid Live and Male Dating. So basically it is for the boys or men. Okay, so here you can see the rating of the app 4.5 star out of 5. So it's really good. When you get any app, the app is more than 4, so we consider that the app is really fine. And here you can see 341k reviews, so it's huge reviews. We'll see what people actually thought about this. So, and here you can see the size of the app, 87 megabyte, and 10 million people already downloaded this app. Okay, so we'll see about the main feature about this app. Here you can see male social, meet, watch live and video call, connect and chat with more than 54 million men from around the world, or right next door with Bluid. Watch entertaining live contents, one-on-one video call with new guy friends, meet hot men and expand your social network. Okay, so here you can see some great feature like go live, chat, video and voice. So you can talk, video mode and audio and even text. Stay connected to your community, so there you'll find a lot of community. You can join more guys, more fun and safe and secure. It's really secure. And Bluid Premium, it's not totally free, so if you want to get more feature, then you should buy the premium package. And here are some things you can read. It's really good. And the app is released 2016 8 April, and they updated 3 August 2023. So they're updated daily basis. If you face any problem, then you can let them know. So we'll see some screenshot hot Asian all rights here. So basically it's for the gay, or you can see here a talented host accompanied by your side and fun interaction. So they are available. So it's available for every dating app and real dating. So it's the real dating app. You can say not to somewhere, to someone. Meet your crush. So it's basically for gay people, safe and secure. And whatever this, love it. So privacy protection and private screen capture. So this is the thing that you will not able to capture the screen when someone come on the video call. Okay, so it's really secured and protected. And we'll see some reviews, what people actually think about this. 1 5-star review. Thank you, Bluid team. I'm so much grateful. I'm used such an amazing app. It's really very easy to find good people, also make relationships. I want to say I'm forever support the Bluid apps, and so I want to share my all friends my feedback and don't be late as soon as possible. So many people share their opinion good, and we'll see some negative reviews what people say actually. Videos ads for 30 seconds or something, trying to trick you into downloading stupid games. So you can see it's ad but advertisement. It's not like they need some revenue, that's why they use the Google ad revenue. So overall it's really good, friend. You can use this. It's really simple. I will tell you how to use this app in upcoming tutorial. So please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.